we're told that a company manufactures electronic components that each must weigh from 29.5 grams to 30.5 grams. And we have to express the fact that the acceptable weights, which could fall anywhere between 29.5 and 30.5, would satisfy an inequality. So, of course, we could just write x is greater than or equal to 29.5, less than or equal to 30.5. But we need to express it as an absolute value, because if you look at choice C and D, C is x is greater than or equal to 29.5. That's not enough. And D is x is less than 29. So that one clearly is out. So the way to think about this, because this is a general type that comes up often, is that if we look at the midpoint here, the midpoint is 30. And any value that's to the right or left of the midpoint, the distance between x and 30 is x minus 30 absolute value. This is the same as 30 minus x. It doesn't matter because we're taking the absolute value. So that's the distance. And that has to be less than or equal to half, because it can at most be half if it's here. So all of these values have to satisfy this condition or this. They're both equivalent. And we notice that that is indeed in the answer choice, which is A. Now you could also start with that and then try to use some example values and to eliminate. That's certainly is acceptable. I mean, for example, you could say one possible value is 30.4, and you see which of the answer choices satisfy. If you look at B, you would plug in 30 minus 30.4. Is that greater than 0.5? This is absolute value of minus 0.4, which is 0.4, is not greater than 0.5. So that's how you'd eliminate B, and then you would narrow it down to A. So to recap, the answer is A.